Myself, Dr. Umeshu, Department of Commerce, Amal College of Advanced Studies, Autonomous, affiliate. Basically, in our college, we are giving lots of importance to the SWAYAM course. In the second year BCom batch, that is S4, semester 4th BCom batch, we have done SWAYAM course, Strategic Sales Management, and I was a mentor. Altogether, 55 plus students attended the examination. Majority got more than 60%, few people got more than 80 and 75. Last year also, in my batch, we have attended SWAYAM course. Many students, around 45 plus, they attended the exam, and the subject was strategic human resource management. Altogether, it's really motivating aspect for them because in Calicut University 4-year UG program, there is a scheme. If you are having extra credit, that will be carry forward to their ABC, academic bank credit, and then they can exit the degree program 6 months ahead. It is a kind of N-1 pattern. There are many ambitious students. They are taking SWAYAM course, accumulating all the credit points so that they can exit from the degree 6 months before. In that 6 months, they can do any other internship or they can go abroad and do some project work. Because many people from our place, they used to go to Gulf area. Their parents are there. It's a good scheme. Students, it's a first time they are experiencing such kind of examination pattern in the computer lab, that protocol, everything. And our college is in a very rural and remote area. So it's a good exposure for them, this kind of examination pattern and all this protocol that we have to follow while attending the exam. And moreover, the pattern of question, the videos, everything, it's a new experience for them. As I said, our college belongs to a very rural and remote area. Majority of students come from a very humble background. Overall, it's a great experiential learning for them. And I'm really thankful to NPTEL and SWAYAM course, all the think tankers behind this courses. There are different courses. Thank you to all the think tankers and academicians. In the coming months, July, in this January batch also, many students from our college have joined this SWAYAM courses, especially from psychology department, from tourism department, and also from English department. So it's a great innovative step from the central government and from the academicians, so that everyone can get good quality pedagogy in their respective discipline while sitting in home. So that's a good move. Thank you. Thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity.
My name is Ramesh Kailash Daunkar. I am the SPOC for Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge and Technologies, IIT RK Valley. So our institute is located in Kadapa district. We have registered around 3,000 students in the last semester for this NPTEL courses. And I think our institute is in top 20, precisely 16 number in ranking. So this is a great privilege. Actually, last year also we were awarded with the AAA rating, and we are in top 20 throughout all the institutes in Andhra Pradesh. So it's very proud moment. And just one thing I want to tell you about this NPTEL is, it's a boost, or what do you say, that kind of blessing for the rural places where the infrastructure is not adequate, or where the lack of faculty is there. So this kind of initiative helps the students to get the best of the faculty and the best of the knowledge available all over the India. And this kind of initiative, I don't think any other thing can be more beneficial to the student than this. So this is what I can tell. Yes, sir. Actually, obviously, once the student comes into the top 1%, 2%, they'll be getting the internship opportunities. I think last time Shiv Shankar Das sir came to our campus, and he has guided us very well. So he told like what are the internship opportunities available, and then I think most of the students have applied who were in the top 2%, and they're getting very good internship opportunities. They're getting very good knowledge. It is helping them for getting good placements. This is my second time actually. Last semester also I came. It's like the best experience ever actually. So IIT campus is very beautiful and very peaceful environment. Just explore the NPTEL SWAYAM courses. You'll find abundant number of courses. Whatever the interest you have, whatever the job profile you are looking for. If you want to plan for some domain certificates. So a lot of options are there. Even the people who are preparing for GATE exams, they are having GATE video lectures, GATE solve question papers, GATE mock test. So these are all resources which are for free, and they can access it anytime, anywhere. So there is no limit for it. Only thing, you have to register in the NPTEL SWAYAM website and just start doing it. This is the best initiative, and I must want to thank the NPTEL team or the government of India for encouraging such things.
I'm Dr. K. Rajkumar from professor in Department of Civil Engineering, ICCS Engineering College, Thrissur at Kerala. So more than 500 students enrolled in, but a lot of opportunities, lot of initiatives there. But how many number of initiatives is more than 9 or 10 initiatives. So example I have to very useful to in our students for GATE portal. So GATE portal. So very useful to in our students. So in wonderful opportunities for the free courses and mock test and also every week. So very useful. So once upon a time I went in Chennai. We come to study in the coaching center. So now only it's easy to improve the technology and reach the door by door house, everyone house. So not only for critical, but very simple, but we can using and utilizing the effectively time oriented. So lot of in example for PS degree in the dual degree, so same time we can conducting the dual degree. So very good opportunity. The NEP system, the first of all we have to implement in the IIT Madras. I am really proud of this IIT Madras. I have to attend the NPTEL SPOC felicitation. So everything is very nice, and once again I would like to congrats for everyone IIT Madras in the NPTEL course, NPTEL team members. Okay. Yes. I am also have to registered. So that only I am one of the students. Then only I have to register in future TRB. So okay, I am also one of the students. Then only I have to first of all I have to register whatever the kind of procedure is there. Then only after that I have to implement in our students. Yes, last semester also 2025 August month also we have to conducting the soft skill training also. So free 1 week courses. So everyone students we have to attend the very useful to the mock interview in each and every one person for half an hour interview. So otherwise every day one and a half an hour we conducting the place internship training and how to build up the portal and how to build the resume and everything also.
This is Dr. N.S. Kavita from Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Technology. I am NPTEL SPOC at Sri Ramakrishna of Technology, and I feel very proud to be here at IIT Madras. And in our college, many students, around 800 students per semester, they got certifications in NPTEL. They are doing domain-specific certifications in NPTEL, and we are now we are in the process of NPTEL credit transfer also. So the students are studying course and they are claiming for credit transfer also. So we are enjoying, our students are enjoying completed this NPTEL certification courses, and I feel very happy to be here. Thank you. Yeah, because the students are doing like courses like Java programming, so it is very useful for their placements. So Java and joy of computing using Python. So these courses are very useful for their placements. So I am also mentoring NPTEL courses, and we are students and mentors are sitting together, and we are sharing assignment questions, and we are enjoying NPTEL certification courses. Thank you.
Yeah, I am Dr. SPOC from Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. We are associated with the NPTEL since 2016, and all our students are actively participating and registering and getting benefit out of this. And so far more than 6,000 students got the certificates from NPTEL, and they got the benefit in various levels with respect to the credit transfer or a placement and all things. and they are very happy. And we are also very happy, and we are helping the students, and we are communicating the NPTEL information through WhatsApp groups, emails, and notice boards. We are trying our level best to introduce NPTEL courses to the students. We will conduct orientation programs, and as a SPOC, we will clarify the doubts of the students when in enrollment and getting the certificates. We are helping for the last 10 years. Yes, yes. The NPTEL Gate portal, which is launched, this is also a very useful portal, and we are communicating to the students, and also we are asking all the HODs and faculty to encourage the students to enroll, take the marks test, so that they will get benefit out of this, and they will get a exposure before going to the actual exam. In various category, even NPTEL courses, we are giving credit transfer, and also people are getting benefit in the placements also. They are getting good offers when they are taking this thing. Even computer science, IT, non-IT students also get benefited with the courses taken by the from in IT areas, and even the faculty also very enthusiastically and actively participating and getting their certificates. More than 300 faculty also they've joined, and this year more than 1700 students enrolled this semester, and we got AA rank for this session. I am here to receive that. I came twice earlier. We are associated with the 2016. Yeah, it's a fantastic, and we'll get an opportunity to interact with the peer group and also the NTL team, and the support extended by the NPL team is good. And whenever we are getting the doubts or clarifications, immediately they are responding, and they are doing good job. All the best and good luck for NPTEL.
Myself, K. Sandeep Kumar, working as assistant professor in Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, Produttur, Andhra Pradesh. Today, I would like to share some feedback on NPTEL workshop, which is organized by IIT Madras. And I look this as a privilege and a great opportunity for the learners who want to learn the things from a remote place through different modes. There are around 2000 plus, sir, actually, from all the departments, and our college has made it mandatory to submit at least one NPTEL, so that they will have the awareness of how online coaching or how online training is going to benefit for them. And our college has adopted credit transfer system also, so they can opt the subjects of their choice as per the guidelines. Definitely, sir, definitely. Yeah, like last semester, 4 of my students, they were in top 1%, and they got the internship opportunity with a paid stipend. And this time also I am expecting a few more headcount to be increased. And thank you for providing this opportunity. Yes, I am from EC department. Yeah, we are spreading awareness along with my SPOC. And everyday sessions we are giving them the feedback and the inputs regarding the GATE mock series, which obviously is going to benefit for their future, and they straight away have a provision of landing into the IIT through GATE portal. Yes, sir. Awesome, sir. Awesome. I have been to IIT Bombay long back, and this is the second IIT that I am visiting. And I would like to thank IIT Delhi and IIT Bombay and IIT Madras and other IITs for taking this particular initiative and providing a platform for the youngsters and for faculty members also for learning. And I would like to thank my college management and principal and director for this particular opportunity.
I am Dr. Pradeep Kumar from Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai campus, and I have been there as the single point of contact in NPTEL since 2016 onwards, right from the inception of, we have started in 2016, and every semester our students, around 12,000 students are enrolling, and more than 9,000 students or 6,000 students appearing for the examination in NPTEL. And it's been a very great journey since last 10 years, almost 9 years is getting completed. And I'm very happy to be part of this NPTEL, and I interact with a lot of NPTEL committee members also as we conduct examinations in our campus as part of the process, because we have a huge number of registrations, so we provide our campus for the conducting the NPTEL examinations. in VIT Chennai. So happy to be part of this NPTEL family and NPTEL community. Yes, okay. So actually, our students generally we have a credit transfer there. So initially, when we started in our campus, the credit transfer as per the UGC guidelines. So our students started enrolling in numbers of 500 to 1,000. But later on, more number of students they wanted to get a kind of course from IITs. So they just start enrolling in thousands. So now we have crossed. Now this semester we have crossed somewhere around more than 6,000 registrations. Now so far we have crossed. It was a great experience because I know every 6 months once I usually come right from 2016 I suppose. So I have been there part of the journey since last 9 years. So every 6 months it's kind of a it's kind of a get together. So I could be able to see a lot of my fellow SPOCs from other institutions, and it's a kind of a great day to celebrate with. So as a faculty, also see in 3-4 years before NPTEL introduced something on FDPs. So as per the mandatory requirement for the getting the promotions, other thing we need to enroll in FDP. So even when we complete a course in NPTEL, and that course by paying some additional cost, we will get a FDP certificate, which is very much helpful for our faculty. And most of our faculty members also get the certificates for enrolling into their FDPs, and then they claim the benefits also. Not only that, our research scholars also, when they do part of the coursework, they enroll a couple of courses from NPTEL for their regular coursework in their research process.